If you're tired of trying product after product and are still not able to regain that lost radiance in your skin, don't worry, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid are your best friends. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that targets those dark spots and evens out your skin tone, and hyaluronic acid's multi-molecular approach hydrates your skin from within. So watch this video to find out which of these serums you should use. So I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right serum for you.